This video is a lip balm, and this is a very simple one. You don't have to use the gram scale to measure. We're going to use teaspoons. So the first thing I want to put is 3/4 of a teaspoon of beeswax. And this is just a small batch. All of these recipes that I'm showing you can be upsized. All you have to do is double the recipes and they come out just perfect. Okay, and then the next thing is jojoba oil. So we're going to put two and 1/4 teaspoon. That's one. And this is two. Okay, and 1/4. Put this lid on here. Okay, and what we're going to do is pour this into the double boiler pot, which I have right here. And I'm going to put a couple of drops of the Cap 2 preservative in this. It's always good to add to the products. Okay, so let's put this over here. And I'm probably only going to put 2 drops. Okay. That was really simple, and if you decide to make a larger batch, if you really like this particular feel of this lip balm, you just double it. Like I put 1.5 teaspoons of beeswax, and you can put 4.5 teaspoons of jojoba oil. And this melts very quickly. I have it, this is kind of boiling, but while I'm working, I like to leave it on so it simmers, but it's very quick. And that is done. What did I do with my paper towel? Okay. So I'm going to wipe the water off the bottom of the bowl. And then we're going to pour this into the container. Turn this thing off. Okay. So you can see how it looks when it's done. These recipes are so easy once you know what goes into. They're so easy to make once you know what the ingredients are. Okay, I'm going to put that back there for right now. And that is your, they call it like a firm lip balm. All the lip balm based recipes that I make go into a lip balm tube. I will probably do a soft lip balm at some point, but right now I'm just sticking to the ones that go in a tube. Okay, this is how it looks when it's done. I mean, when the recipe is melted in the double boiler, and then when it sits and cools, it will look more like this, and then I can transfer it into one of my little snack cups for storage. Okay, that was a lip balm made with beeswax and jojoba oil and measured with spoons, so it left out the gram scale. Okay,